Hey, I'm Ty with WTI and I want to show you guys my very cool rope pendant light. I purchased this hanging light because instead of a traditional table-side bedside lamp, I wanted something a little bit eccentric, a little bit funky. So I found this rope hanging light, and what I really love about it is I was going for something with a very natural aesthetic with natural materials, and this hanging rope light just popped out at me. I I love the way that it looks. I love that it has an on and off switch attached to it. And I also love that I love how long it is, so it's able to reach all the way from my outlet all the way down next to my bedside. It came with the hooks to attach it to the ceiling, and I went ahead and purchased a lampshade from Morocco to put on the outside, and I think it came out super cute. And that's my point of view.